Something you might be wondering is, how do I enroll people in a sequence? It's a great question, fair question, and I will save this sequence and show you how. So one of the ways to do it is to go to sales and deals again, and you could also do it through contacts, but we're not going to go through that in demo. We're just going to do this. So we'll go to my practice deal. Let's say we think Maria Johnson would be a great candidate for receiving this sequence. I'm going to create an email, and I'm going to do it through activities. I'm going to go to emails. I'm going to hit create email, kind of like these sections we went through when we were looking at the deal card. And what I'm going to do is at the top, you'll see we can send templates. So we can send those individual templates we've worked on, practice 1, practice 2, and practice 3. Very convenient if you just need one specific repetitive email. Or let's say in Maria's case, we need sequences. I will select Sam's practice sequence. You can see even before I send it, I can actually edit all these emails before this sequence starts. It's really nice. You should always double check your work. Hopefully everything, all the personalization tokens, everything's popped up right, but you do get to just have a little check. You can see everything, you can change anything up. For example, actually, because I cloned all these emails, let's say you see that what would be the second email in the sequence as practice 1. Well, you can change that to practice 2. You can change that to practice 2. And then after you've checked all your stages, you're happy with it, you can just hit start sequence. Right now I'm not going to, but that is basically just how it goes. It's very simple. You can also, from within this email page, when you're on a contact page, choose to insert any, let's say, documents you have, PDFs, collateral, testimonials, reviews. You can insert meeting links, insert proposed times or a scheduling link, and you can insert a quote if you have that functionality in your HubSpot. So that's really, you can even draft a full email in here if you'd like to, if you're just doing some quick contact, quick touch base. But yeah, that's how you would send a sequence out of here, or one of those templates we made. And that's also how you'd send documents or a meeting link or a quote out of here. It's really simple, just populates right at the top of this box, and it sets it up so you can review it before anything goes out. It's really great to have. Even if you send a template, it will let you review the template before it's out. Gives you the subject line, gives you the materials, nothing to worry about. And you can also even just select right in here to create a task to follow up. So it's really easy to send sequences, really easy to send collateral, templates, any of this. HubSpot really streamlines the process, so quite simple.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.